Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way about basic editing tools that you can use on your iPhone photo library. And today I would like to show you the way how to crop your video only with iPhone. Now you need to go into your photo library to do that, and whenever you're already in a photo library, you just need to choose the video that you want to crop. And whenever you already found the video, you just need to click it and then go click edit to access the editing part. And now you just need to take a look on these down tools here, and you just need to click this part. So to crop this video, you can just directly drag this point, this 4 points, to have the same ratio, but then you crop it into the smaller part by drag this corner into the inner side. But then if you want to have adjustable crop, you can use this straight lines on the line. If you want to make it smaller, you just need to drag it into the inner side. For example, let's drag it into this part, and you can also use with this. You can also use this and this. It's just adjustable, but then if you use this corner, it will gonna have more adjusting, dragging two sides in the same times. And whenever you're done cropping it and you already got the section of the video that you want to have, you just need to go click done. And here is the result. So that's the way how to crop your video on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.